to look today at creating a Hyperdoc to use in your class, and it is kind of a hub, a place to get things to your students. You can use in your assignment today, you can use a Google Doc or a Google Drawing in order to create your Hyperdoc. I'm going to show you today a sample of a Hyperdoc that Shauna McPherson, one of our Granbury ISD superstar teachers, created, and they were about to start Tales of a Fourth Grade Nothing. And so to get info to her students, she's got a document here. She put a table in it to organize things. This is a link to a video that is a book trailer that she wants her students to watch. She also put a link here to the author's website, some info about New York City. She gave them a place within her Hyperdoc to take notes. Maybe what did you learn? How's New York City different than Granbury? A little reflection there. Then she inserted a link to a Google form that's a pre-reading quiz, what they know before they read the book. Then she's got information here on what she'd like them to create. There's a little reflection piece here. Are you excited about our novel? Do you already have a connection? And then she's got a Quizlet here to practice, play, and learn. And take a quiz and show your teacher your score. So for this particular Hyperdoc, it would need everyone to have their own copy because they're going to be responding to a couple things. So for this particular one, you would assign it in Google Classroom and have them, and when you assign it, you'd have it create a copy for each student. Another choice you have to create your Hyperdoc is to use a Google Drawing. One thing that's useful in a Google Drawing, you could put your instructions in a text box over here off the canvas. So this is the canvas that you would create on. You could go here and give them instructions. Step 1, I want you to watch the video, and then you could, if you had a video here, you would copy this entire URL. You're going to copy, and then I'm going to go back here to my sample Hyperdoc, and I'm going to highlight the word video. I'm going to click on my little link or do Command or Control K, and then I'm going to paste the link to my video here. So watch this video, and then maybe step 2 would be respond with an emoji about your feelings for the video. Then maybe you'd have number 3. So you could give your instructions on the side and then have your students create here. So those are just some ideas. I love that with this sample Hyperdoc, even a student that was absent that day or a homebound student would be able to have all the information that Ms. McPherson was going to share with her students all in one place that they could access wherever they had access to their Google Drive. So hopefully a Hyperdoc will be something that you can use in your classroom.